We've all been there, standing in our kitchens, wondering if we're doing the right thing. We meticulously peel our vegetables, discarding the outer layer without a second thought, believing it's just waste. But what if I told you that we've been missing out on a wealth of flavor and nutrition hidden in those peels? Yes, you heard that right. Those peels are not just scraps, they are treasure troves of goodness. Vegetable peels, often treated as kitchen waste, are actually nutritional powerhouses. They are packed with fiber, vitamins, antioxidants, and more essential nutrients that our bodies crave. It's time to challenge the norm and embrace the peel. Imagine the possibilities when you start incorporating these nutrient-rich peels into your meals. In this essay, we'll delve into the amazing world of vegetable peels, exploring their health benefits, culinary advantages, and practical tips for incorporating them into our daily cooking. From adding zest to your salads to enhancing the flavor of your soups, the potential is endless. Get ready to revolutionize your eating habits and discover a whole new level of flavor and nutrition. You'll be amazed at how these often overlooked parts of vegetables can transform your dishes. So ditch the peeler and join me on this exciting culinary adventure as we unlock the hidden treasures beneath the peel. Together, we'll learn how to make the most of every part of our vegetables. Your taste buds and your body will thank you for it. Embrace the peel and let's embark on this journey to healthier, more flavorful eating. Don't forget to subscribe to the Green channel for more interesting facts and tips on healthy eating. Stay tuned and stay green. Let's talk nutrition. Today, we're diving into the often overlooked world of vegetable peels. Vegetable peels are like a secret stash of goodness, loaded with dietary fiber, essential vitamins, and potent antioxidants. These peels, which we often discard without a second thought, are nutritional powerhouses. Fiber, as we all know, is crucial for digestive health, keeping things moving smoothly and promoting regularity. It helps in maintaining a healthy gut and can even aid in weight management by keeping you feeling full longer. But that's not all. Peels are also rich in vitamins and minerals, often containing higher concentrations than the flesh itself. This means that by discarding the peels, we might be missing out on some essential nutrients. For instance, did you know that apple peels are a fantastic source of vitamin C, an antioxidant that boosts immunity and protects against cell damage? This vitamin is essential for the growth and repair of tissues in all parts of your body. And let's not forget about antioxidants. These powerful compounds help fight inflammation and protect our bodies from harmful free radicals, which can contribute to chronic diseases. Antioxidants are crucial in maintaining overall health and preventing illnesses. So the next time you're about to toss those peels in the bin, remember the nutritional goldmine you're throwing away. Instead, consider incorporating them into your meals or even using them in creative ways like making vegetable broth or adding them to smoothies. Now let's talk about flavor. When we think about enhancing our culinary creations, we often overlook the humble peel. Peels are not just about nutrition. They can significantly enhance the taste and aroma of your dishes. They are packed with essential oils and natural compounds that can elevate the overall flavor profile. Think about it. The peel is where the plant interacts directly with sunlight and the environment, developing unique flavor compounds that add depth and complexity to your meals. This interaction with nature infuses the peel with a richness that the inner flesh often lacks. For example, potato skins provide an earthy and slightly bitter note that complements the starchy interior perfectly. When roasted, they become crispy and add a delightful texture contrast. Carrot peels offer a hint of sweetness and a vibrant orange hue that makes dishes visually appealing. They also contain a higher concentration of nutrients compared to the inner flesh. And cucumber skins? They bring a refreshing bitterness that balances the cucumber's mild flavor. The skin also adds a satisfying crunch to salads and sandwiches. So don't be afraid to experiment. Adding peels to your cooking can transform ordinary dishes into culinary masterpieces. Whether you're making a simple salad or a gourmet dish, peels can add that extra layer of flavor and texture that makes your food unforgettable. Texture plays a crucial role in our enjoyment of food, and peels can add a delightful crunch and textural contrast that elevates your culinary creations. Imagine biting into a perfectly roasted potato with a crispy skin and a fluffy interior, pure satisfaction. Or how about the satisfying crunch of a fresh cucumber salad with the peels intact? Even apple peels, when cooked, soften and provide a pleasant chewiness that adds depth to pies, crumbles, and other baked treats. By incorporating peels into your recipes, you're not just adding nutrients and flavor, you're creating a multi-sensory dining experience that tantalizes the taste buds and elevates the overall enjoyment of your meal. Section 5, potatoes to peel or not to peel, that is the question. Are the humble potato a staple in kitchens worldwide? But to peel or not to peel, that is the question that has plagued cooks for generations. Well, my friends, I'm here to tell you that potato skins are a nutritional and culinary goldmine. They are packed with fiber, potassium, and vitamin C, all of which are lost when you peel them away. Moreover, potato skins turn deliciously crispy when roasted, baked, or fried, adding a satisfying texture to your favorite potato dishes. So the next time you're making mashed potatoes, consider leaving the skins on for added flavor and nutrition. Section 6. Carrots, a root vegetable that shines with its skin on. Carrots, with their vibrant orange hue and sweet earthy flavor, are a versatile vegetable that can be enjoyed raw or cooked. And here's a secret: carrot peels are packed with nutrients and flavor. They contain a type of fiber called pectin, which helps regulate blood sugar levels and promotes digestive health. Carrot peels also boast a concentrated dose of beta-carotene, an antioxidant that our bodies convert into vitamin A, essential for healthy vision, skin, and immune function. So ditch the peeler and enjoy your carrots whole. Your body will thank you for it. Section 7. Cucumbers, cool, crisp, and packed with nutrients. Cucumbers, with their refreshing crunch and high water content, are a summer staple. But did you know that cucumber peels are a good source of vitamin K, a nutrient that plays a vital role in blood clotting and bone health? They also contain antioxidants like cucurbitacin, which has been linked to anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties. So the next time you're making a salad or a refreshing cucumber-infused water, resist the urge to peel those cucumbers. Embrace the slight bitterness of the peels, which adds a layer of complexity to your dishes. Section 8. Apples, a fruit that's best enjoyed whole. An apple a day keeps the doctor away, or so the saying goes. But did you know that most of the apple's fiber and antioxidants are concentrated in its skin? Apple peels are rich in a type of fiber called pectin, which promotes digestive health and helps lower cholesterol levels. They are also loaded with antioxidants like quercetin, which has anti-inflammatory properties and may help protect against heart disease. So enjoy your apples whole, skin and all, to reap their full nutritional benefits. Section 9. Cleaning and preparation, simple tips for safe and delicious eating. Now I know what you're thinking, but what about dirt and pesticides? It's true that we need to be mindful of food safety, but there are simple ways to clean your vegetables thoroughly and enjoy them with their peels intact. First, wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water before handling any produce. Then rinse your vegetables under running water, using a vegetable brush to scrub away any dirt or debris. For fruits and vegetables with tougher skins like apples and potatoes, consider using a fruit and vegetable wash to remove any lingering residues. Section 10. Embracing the peel. A small change for a healthier you. Embracing the peel is not just about maximizing flavor and nutrition, it's also about minimizing food waste. Think about all those peels we discard without a second thought. They all end up in landfills, contributing to environmental problems. By incorporating peels into our cooking, we're not only doing our bodies a favor, but also reducing our environmental impact. It's a small change that can make a big difference. Section 11. A culinary adventure awaits. Try it and taste the difference. So, there you have it, the wonderful world of vegetable peels unveiled. We've explored their nutritional benefits, culinary advantages, and practical tips for incorporating them into our daily cooking. Now it's your turn to put this knowledge into practice. Don't be afraid to experiment with different vegetables. Try new recipes and discover your own favorite ways to enjoy peels. Remember, cooking is all about having fun. being creative and nourishing our bodies with wholesome, delicious food. So ditch the peeler, embrace the peel, and embark on a culinary adventure that will tantalize your taste buds and nourish your body from the inside out.